When a woman is submissive to you, you are the best guy she can have. And she's going to think about you all the time. The way you make her feel. You make... Yo. What's up, my guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I am telling you 4 triggers that make women submit and cooperate to you. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number 1, abundance. When a woman sees that you have an abundance mindset, when a woman sees that other women want you, even if she was testing you, even if she was playing games, now all of a sudden something comes into her mind and she's like, this guy is a catch. This guy is not the guy to play with. This guy can replace me anytime. And automatically, instantly, pop, she becomes more cooperative. She becomes more submissive. I am sure most of you guys watching me have had this experience. You are out with a girl and then other women are giving you choosing signals. And she sees other women giving you choosing signals. Even though she's going to be irritated, she's going to be very uncomfortable, she's going to have more attraction for you. She's going to be more submissive. She's going to be more she's going to be clingy. That is when she becomes more touchy. You know, she starts to get all over you. And when women know that a guy has abundance of women, she's going to do everything she can do in her power to make sure she is the best this guy can have. In her mind, she thinks that if she does certain things, this guy is going to think she's the best of all women. And that is being cooperative, being submissive, and damn, in the bedroom she's going to do stuff to you. You are going to, think that you're in heaven. Because she knows that this sport is temporary. She knows that if she starts playing games, she's out of the door. She is out of your life. And you are a catch, and she's going to feel that loss. Number 2, attraction. Women are going to be submissive to the guys they are attracted to. If you are the best version of yourself, if you're the best dressed guy, if you're the best looking guy, if you're the most fit guy, and you are the best smelling guy, this woman is going to be submissive to you. Because you are not like the rest of the guys. You are unique. The attraction she has towards you is going to make her feminine. It's going to make her submit and comply with you, because she knows what she wants. She wants you to hit it. And she knows that if she starts to play games, if she starts to behave masculine, she's going to drive you away. She's going to chase you away. Guys, it's that simple. Women know what masculine men want. Women know what men want, and women love to behave like women. If you make a woman submit, if you make a woman cooperate, she's going to fall in love with you. Because not many guys can be able to do this. Women don't submit to men automatically. You have to demonstrate that you are a man. She has to be attracted to you. She has to be really attracted to you to be submissive. When a woman is submissive, her attraction level is 100%. You are the best guy she can have. That's true, guys. When a woman is submissive to you, you are the best guy she can have. And she's going to think about you all the time. The way you make her feel, you make her feel like a woman. You bring her feminine qualities out, because they are always hidden. They are always hidden. In this modern society, women are masculine. So when you bring out that side of her, she's going to feel so good, and she's going to always think about you, and she's going to be attracted to you every single day, every single time, because it's just you yourself, the way you carry yourself, the way you present yourself, the aura and the energy you have. That is what attracts women. Number 3, guys, is competition. Guys, when women start to chase one guy, when a group or even just 2 women start to chase one guy, the most submissive and the most cooperative woman is the one who is going to win, because they know men don't like headaches. They know men don't like headaches. And unless you have a weird fetish where you like to be dominated, you are going to choose the girl that is, the most feminine girl. You are masculine, you are attracted to feminine. And women will behave like that. If they are attracted to you, they are going to be feminine. They are going to be subconsciously competing with each other to see who is going to be the best girls that this guy is going to pick. Because when you pick one girl, you are validating her. You are putting her above the other girl. You are telling her that you are the best. You are the most attractive. Of the 2 of you, you are the most attractive. And women are always competing. Women are always competing subconsciously. You might think women are laughing and enjoying themselves, but when a guy who is a catch enters the room and they are all attracted to this guy, that is when you see their true colors. That is when their true colors appear, because they all chase this guy. They all want this guy. So they all have to act submissive. They all have to cooperate with this guy. They all have to make this guy have the easiest time so that they can be chosen. So that when she's chosen, now she can brag to the rest of the women, because now she's the superior woman. All of us humans, we have that, that desire to feel superior. And when you give that woman that validation, she's going to feel that superiority, and she's going to feel so good. And it's a win-win situation. You get the girl, she wins the competition, and life is easy. Life is very easy. Last but not the least, when you put boundaries, a woman is going to submit to you automatically. When you have boundaries, when you know what you like and what you don't like, when you are not afraid of checking her when she steps out of line, she's going to respect you and submit to you. I have said this 1,000 times. When you have boundaries, a man is a guy who knows himself and knows, this is what I like, this is what I don't like, and I don't care who you are, but if you cross these lines, I am going to check you. I am going to check you, because this is my life. You can't come in and intrude in my life. If you can't cooperate, walk away. I am happy being all alone. So I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need any headaches from anyone. If you can't make my life easier, if you can't make my life fun, if you are not adding value to my life, why am I tolerating you? Go away. Fuck off. Go away. Boundaries are very important. A man must have boundaries and must have the balls to check anyone, whether it's a woman, whether it's a man, who crosses these boundaries. You have to be able to stand up for yourself. That shows strength. That shows that you are not afraid of anything. That shows that you have improved yourself. You have seen worse. So look, I have seen worse than you, so don't test me. I have been through experiences that you cannot even imagine, so don't test me. Don't test me. Guys, I hope you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.